Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mathoni Karaoke for those who are new here. Asanteni sana for joining me on today's video. So today we are basically going to do a recipe, a really quick and very easy but very tasty recipe. So as you saw by the title, we are going to be making liver. Liver is something a lot of people are usually skeptical with, especially even in my family. People are like, oh, liver tastes weird, the texture is weird. But I'm going to be showing you easy ways on how to prepare it to remove that texture that people don't like in their mouth. So let's get into the washed my liver. Let me remove a bit of the water so that I can show you guys. So here's how my liver is looking like. So I just thawed it. It was in the freezer, so it was frozen basically. So I just ran it through water, and then now as you can see, you guys, this thing has a membrane. You can see there's this gray thing on top. That's the membrane of the liver, which needs to be removed. That's what gives the liver the texture that people do not like. So the first step we're going to do is to remove this membrane. As I told you, you can see there's like this gray thing going on. That's the membrane. The membrane of the liver needs to be removed. The reason being is, you see, when so many people say that liver is chewy, the texture CG, it's bad, it's because of this membrane. If you don't get rid of this membrane, as you can see, it's like sellotape like, it peels off very easily. You need to remove it before making your liver. As you can see, it's all the way through. I hope you guys can see what I mean. That's so we need to tour that. Of the liver needs to be removed because that's why actually when people complain that liver has a certain texture, when this liver is put onto the fire with this membrane, as you can see it tightens and it shrinks. So when it does that, it becomes very tough and the texture really changes. So that's why we remove the membrane. That's the main reason it's actually being removed. So when you buy your liver kwa butchery, kwa supermarket, wherever, ambio mtu akutole membrane before, or you can remove it for yourself. So as for me, it's taking me, so far it's been like 5 minutes of removing the membrane on both sides. So yeah, so let me just remove. Then after removing, we're just going to dice it up into smaller pieces, and then yeah. So this is how it looks like. So we're just going to dice it into small pieces, which can be edible by people. So that is what I'm going to do. Just cut it into pieces, and then I'll talk to you guys when I am done. So this is basically how the liver looks as of now. I've already diced it into small chunks. So the next step will be to soak it in milk. I prefer this method because it's quite simple and milk is very accessible in our homes. But another method that you can use is you can soak the liver in water infused with vinegar. You can use 4 teaspoons of vinegar, just put them inside the water, and then just soak your liver for like 30 minutes. And with the milk, I'll be doing the same. I'll just be soaking the liver here for 30 minutes, and then we will cook it after that. Now I've just placed a pan onto the fire, and the first thing we're going to do is to add our onions. As for me, I'm using spring onions. I like them better than the purple or red onions for some reason, because of the aroma and the taste that it gives the food. The next step will be to add ginger. This is grated ginger and garlic, and then I'm also going to add, these are dania stems or coriander stems, not the leaves, just the stems. They really cook well and add aroma and taste to the food while you're making it. So yeah. Now I have already strained the liver. This is how it looks like. So we're just going to add it onto our mixture over there, and then just stir. Coat every piece with all the oil, the spring onion, and the coriander, and just generously mix to get everything in there. So the next step will be to add our spices and then let it cook for a bit. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for a bit. Ndio season na hiyo ginger, garlic, the spring onion, the nini zikishashikana, the aroma that's going to come out of there, oh amazing. So we're just going to let it cook for like 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to check on it. So it's been 5 minutes. Ooh, it's smelling so good. I'm just going to turn it kidogo. Imeanza kushika sufuria. So then I'm just going to be adding spices. This is oregano, paprika, curry powder, ginger powder, and garam masala. So we're just going to spread that all over, and then just give it a good mix. And then add a little bit of salt on top, not too much because spices pia zinakuanga na chumvi yake ndani. I'm just going to stir a little bit. And then I'll just be adding kidogo water just to give it a nice mix, a nice thickness to it. I'll be adding a little bit more of the water, just kidogo, and then give it another stir. And then now on top of this, because it's now looking nice, it's looking nice and juicy, I'm just going to add the tomatoes onto there, and then also capsicum or hoho onto there, and then I'm just going to give it another quick mix. Oh my god, I wish you guys could smell it. Like, you should really, like I emphasize, really make this recipe, because if not, utakuwa una miss out on a lot. So I'm just going to add kidogo water, just the last one, to just allow the liver to cook a bit more together with the tomatoes and the hoho. So nitafunika tu, just give it like another 5 to 10 minutes, and then voila. So this is 5 minutes later. So let's see how our liver, our liver looks so good, like literally so good. So what we're going to do, this is the second last step. We're just going to add coriander. Just look at how amazing this looks. Na kama umenisikiza vizuri, I said this is the second last step, meaning there's another step to add to this that's just going to make this dish, yani it's going to take it to the next level. But are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Like, let me show you a close-up. Just see how good this liver looks. Like, niambie, hata wewe mwenye unasemanga tukulangi maini, tell me, would you pass for this? Would you really pass this dish? This looks so good, smells even better. I'm telling you, the camera doesn't even do it justice. Looks so delicious. The main step that I was telling you guys about, a lemon. You just squeeze a lemon onto this thing, onto this liver, and trust you me, it kicks the liver, gives it a nice juicy kick to it, very nice, makes it have like a tangy taste to it. Na nakwambia hii, so nice. So now we're just going to serve it into our bowl. Nice and juicy, looks really amazing. And voila, here we go, our nice liver, very well cooked, using very minimal spices, very minimal effort. So this is how it looks, as you guys can see, really juicy. Guys saw how the liver looks like. This is how it looks like. It's really nice. So let's do the taste test. Let's get some hoho. You guys, I really like hoho, like I don't know. So let's get, so here it is. So let's taste and see how it is. Mm. Mm. Let me tell you guys, do not skip anything, especially kwanza the lemon at the end. Please, when you're making your liver, drizzle some lemon into it. It gives it it gives it such a nice taste. Kick, like it will not be the same without the lemon, trust you me. So nice, so nice. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much, guys. There we go. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, for tuning in onto this episode. Kindly in the comment section down below, tell me what you liked about the recipe. Else do you do different? Ama nini unafanyanga that I do? Or what other tips do you have on enhancing the liver recipe? Because recipes in the kitchen, there's never one way of doing it. You always improve, add more onto the recipe. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Till next time, guys. Bye.